Welcome to week 11. This is going to be a totally different video for you because I came in here and I looked at my desk and I looked at everything and I thought, oh my gosh, it's a disaster. And I'd be lying if I said it wasn't like that every week, because it is. It's always like this. And because I am doing lots of different things in this one area, it becomes just piles of things. And I'm constantly moving items from one place to the next place, and then I just hope that I'm never going to have a glass of water spill over my desk, and especially over my planner, because I would be so sad if this got soaking wet. So I do use a water bottle with a snap lid on my desk just in case, for that purpose, that I don't have a massive spill, because that's happened to me over the years. I have spilled water and ruined papers on my desk, and it's the saddest thing in the world. Anyway, and especially this beautiful planner, I would hate for that to happen. So I thought this week, for week 11, I would do a behind the scenes of what it's really like to get organized and reset for the week ahead. And that includes cleaning my desk, showing you what that is, and then sitting down to plan. Please be fair, be nice, be kind. I'm sure you're gonna look at this and be like, oh my gosh, Ridgely is a mess. She's so disorganized and I can't believe it. But it's the reality of my life and my desk, and I'll explain it to you when I turn this around and I give you a reason for everything on my desk and the way it is what it is. So hold tight, I'm gonna turn this around, we're gonna clean it together, or I'm gonna clean and you can check it out, and then we will plan for next week, which is gonna be week 11. And this is going to be an honest portrayal of how I get it done. Are you ready? Let's do this. Welcome to what my room looks like from the back of the room. So I'm going to switch this around and you're going to get a good view of what it really looks like. Okay, so when we enter the room, we have this standing kind of desk thing that is a side desk for me. And as you can see, I've got it piled up high with everything that I need, including look at this. I've got the sticky notes and then the pouch here for my pencils, then the planner Kate, and you can see it's just layered upon layers of items, right? And then over here, we've got the ball that I sit on. I love this. I'm trying to get better at my posture. And then this is my computer, the desk where I sit to do my work every day. And then this is what it looks like when I'm sitting at my desk. So I do makeup videos. And so I have the mirror over there. I've got my ring light. This is the camera that I use to do my videos. And then I have this one for my phone. And then I was just doing a video last night and yesterday. So this is sort of like the makeup aftermath. And then I've got my planner that I try to go in and work on my phone, all the pens and all the things. But if you back up like this, I drop something on the floor and all this. And then I don't have a lot of storage space. I have this right here. And again, more makeup things, batteries and all the things. But I don't have a lot of storage because there's no drawers or things like that, except for right over here. On this sort of shelving unit right here. And this is a Murphy bed. This is where my son comes and sleeps when he comes to stay, and any guests. And so I have to leave this room. And then over here, I have a TV, a nice chair to sit in, and then that is my laptop. So that's another computer that I use as well. So this is what it looks like from the back. And it drives me crazy. So I am going to clean this up and show you what it looks like when it's done. That took about 5 minutes, and now I have my space all organized and I'm ready to start planning week 11. This is not terrible, right? I mean, everyone's got a little bit of a mess and it's totally normal. I have a little bit more of a mess because I'm trying to use the space for multiple purposes and I don't have a lot of storage. But now that my desk is clean, I've got everything stacked neat and tidy over there, the makeup's put away for now, I can figure out what I want to do and how I'm going to plan for week 11, and then I will be able to get out the makeup, organize that for the different looks I want to do next week, and be more efficient. So thank you for hanging with me as I cleaned my office and my little desk area. And then this is the water bottle I was talking about. If you don't have one of these, they're great. This is an Owala. They're at Target. I think you can get them Amazon, Walmart. But I always make sure that the lid is closed and there are no spills. So this is the water bottle I was talking about earlier. I live in Florida and I'm always thirsty. So I'm always needing to drink a lot of water. So I have it on my desk right here. But I do love these, I don't know, I have 2 of them going. One's about to be finished, but I have these project planners. I can link these for you. It took a while for me to find them. A friend of mine recommended these and I like them a lot for kind of brain dumping what's going on. It's got this, like these little sections in here. I don't know if you can see that. And you can just sort of brain dump in here. So I like to sit for a minute before I plan and kind of write out like lists. I don't really write paragraphs, I just write down just one after another the things that I need to get done. And then I'm gonna take that list that's sort of in here and put it into my planner. So it's like, you know, if I have a lunch or a dinner or book club or there's something on my to-do list, I kind of like to write it in here and then I'll transcribe it into the planner. So I'm going to take a minute to do that. I'll have my list done and then we'll go in and we'll plan week 11 together and I'll show you where I am and how it's been working since I changed it up with the new stickers last week. So when I come back, we'll be doing an overview and planning week 11 together. I can't tell you how much I enjoyed planning last week and then using the planner. The stickers that I put down are awesome. I'm actually enjoying these ones and how they show up. I figured out what to do with these stickers right here. I put them over here. So that is kind of fun. And then this week sticker, and I was really good. I use this tab that comes with the Laurel Denise planners here. So it says you are here, and this has been amazing. I'm loving the sort of using this for exercise right here under the date and day, and then this washi tape for the food is right here. So this has worked out really well. I keep the big main calendar pretty empty and then use sort of the day section right here to put times of when I'm doing things, and then my to-dos over here. And I added this really cute little sticker right here because I didn't know where else to put it. So that was really useful. I went ahead and for this coming week, I added a few things, added the exercise over here, did the stickers, added this one right here. And then I just wanted to go back into the things that I have coming up and put them in there. So I'll do that right now. I also have a bunch of other stickers. I'd like to go in and place confirmations that I did my YouTube. So you can see right here, I have one right there. And then last week was not a great week, but as far as that, but sometimes these stickers are a little hard to pick up, but here it's so cute. So I did do one for what's today. The 9th is just spring forward. So this one is going this afternoon. So we're just gonna put that right there like that. Okay, and then I'll add more as I go. But anyway, so this is a really good look forward. And then let's get my pens out. I definitely like the Pilot Erasable 05 for the planner versus the 07. And here, let me show you a difference in the size. So this is this one, and then you can see the difference with this. This is just that much bigger. So if I did walk, you can see how much thicker the pen line is. And then a tiny one, which is I think a 3.5, This one is, oh no, 3/8. How do you open this one? I think you twist it maybe, or no, push it down. Let me show you this one. This is walk. So this is even tinier. See the difference? So this is the 3/8 on top, then the 7, then the 5, and then the 7. So I definitely like the 5 for writing in here, and then I use the smaller one for writing in these little stickers right here. So I do think it's important to have different sizes, and then I am enjoying the erasable highlighters. So I'll link all these below. So those are great. So I kind of highlight little things like wash day, and it's probably the only thing I've highlighted like that. So anyway, let's get going, and I will add my things to my planner. This pen I like to stick over here. This is another one that I like. Okay, let's do this. I haven't been very good with the habit tracker. I made these like little notes to myself that a half would be, you know, let's say 5,000 steps, and then a 3/4 would be like this. So that would be like 7,000 steps, kind of like that. And I'm doing a Reels challenge, and I haven't even come back here to fill that in. And then I don't even know what to do with these. So this is, yeah, this is sort of a work in progress. Not really sure how I'm going to do that. And then again, I have a lot of open space in here. I want to use this area for projects, so I just put this sticker, and those stickers are up here on the, this is the dashboard. So this is a sticker from Planner Kate, and then these are right here. And these stickers, these bigger ones, came from this page. So I just took the birthday and the projects, one's there, one this, and I want to plan a few things and flights and stuff. Keep that kind of front of mind. And then I want to use this. This is more like, because it says March, I got to think of what I want to put in here and down here. A little bit of a different planning video, a little bit behind the scenes of what it looks like before, during, and after I start planning. I really like this time to myself, and I do like to work in a clean environment. So a place that's not cluttered and everything is everywhere, because I find that if I start putting things places and then they all topple over, it just gets so frustrating, and I can't think clearly. And I think that's just my brain wanting to be neat and tidy. And again, why I really like using this planner, because I can get those thoughts out onto the paper and do it. Again, that's the other thing that is hard for me, is the mess, right? The mess and making a mess is always back of mind, like, oh, I don't want to, I don't want to make a mess. And that's why I was saying how much I love these pens, because as you saw, I was erasing things, changing things, and whatever. So I've definitely enjoyed having this time to myself to think and plan, which is what it's for, right? I found that if you started at the beginning of the series, you know that one of the reasons I got the planner was because I was just, everything was everywhere, right? I had lists, and I had calendars, and I had, computer things and apps, and nothing was kind of centralized. So this way I have everything sort of in one place. And it's funny, I'll wake up in the middle of the night and go, oh, I need to put this in my planner. So it's always good to have a little note bag by a notebook or something by your bedside, or even use your notes app on your phone and then come back and put it in here, because there were things that I was thinking about as I was writing, and I was like, oh, I totally forgot I wanted to do that. Oh, I totally forgot I wanted to do that. So at least I have it in here and I can go back and find it. So I'm definitely seeing the positive effects of having this planner and how I'm utilizing it. It's a little bit of the same every week, but it's repetitive, and I like that. And it's probably repetitive for you to see me do a lot of the same things each week, but that's how we use our planner, right? We do have things that are constants. We have things that change, and it's just working with that, right? So if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe, and you'll be notified when the next video goes up, which is going to be week 12. If you have any comments, let me know. Do you have anything that you love, or is there a great pen that you're using that you think is useful? Do you like using stickers or Post-its, and how do you like to plan? What about your workspace? Are you like me? Does it get cluttered by the end of the week, or are you a clean up as you go? How do you manage that? Because I find that I come in here and I get to work and it's just everything is piled on, and then I have to take a minute and reset, which is what I just did, and I did that with you. So thank you for being here. Thank you for letting me show you a little behind the scenes and not judging me too harshly for it. And I will see you next week in week 12.